Superman perhaps? No, it's a bird. I think double definition to. Kasi wala akong nakikitang indicator. Let's check. Okay, correct. So, walang indicator, mayroong father and definition. So, I think yung first definition is Superman perhaps. Then yung second is no, it's a bird. Okay, so yung answer can define Superman perhaps and no, it's a bird. Robin. Check. Mali. Robin. I think plane. It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's Superman. Mali. Raven. Superhero rin si Raven, di ba? Check. Mali. Flight. Flies. Not flight, flies. Okay, so yung second definition is no, it's a bird. So I think yung answer is pangalan ng ibon. So hindi Robin, Raven, Eagle. Ano relate sa Superman? No. Heron. Wait lang. Heron. Okay, I know merong bird na heron. Pero Superman perhaps. Alright, mali yung pagkakaintindi ko ng clue. So hindi siya double definition. Wala lang talaga indicator. And meron lang substitution. So ayun nga, Superman is a hero. So yun ang substitute niya, hero. Then no, ang substitute niya is N, short for no, N, di ba? So heron, it's a bird. Ngek, mali yung pagkakaintindi ko. Pero correct yung answer. Bye.